In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana tasks from Slack. Before we begin, make sure the Asana for Slack integration is set up in your workspace. If it is, you'll be able to use the Asana commands and actions right inside Slack. If you don't see those options, check with your workspace admin to get the integration enabled. There are two simple ways to create tasks from Slack, and you'll choose based on what you are trying to do. The first method is using the slash command to create a task from scratch. This is great when you already know exactly what needs to be done and want a clean, focused task with the essentials. To use the slash command, open Slack and in the message box type the command to create an Asana task. Slack will guide you through adding the key details, like the task name and a due date. Keep the task name short but specific so it's easy to scan later, and choose a due date that reflects when the work truly needs to be completed. This method is quick, structured, and keeps you in flow if you're planning work or capturing an idea as it comes up. The second method is converting a specific Slack message into an Asana task. Use this when a conversation contains important context you don't want to lose. Find the message you want to turn into a task, open the message actions, and select the option to create a task in Asana. The original message content will be included automatically, so the background is right there for anyone who picks up the work. From there, you can give the task a clear name and set a due date so it doesn't slip through the cracks. Both approaches achieve the same goal, turning Slack discussions into trackable work in Asana. The slash command is best for structured, from-scratch task creation with a defined name and due date. The message action is best for capturing the exact wording and context of a conversation without copying and pasting. If you run into issues, such as not seeing the Asana options or getting an error, it usually means the integration needs attention. Ask your admin to ensure the Asana for Slack app is installed and authorized for your workspace. A quick final tip: be thoughtful with task names and due dates so teammates immediately understand what needs to happen and by when, and avoid including any sensitive information in your task titles or descriptions. That's it. With these two methods, you can move from chat to action in seconds, keeping your work organized and your team aligned.